Hi, welcome traders. Welcome to JJP Trading Academy. In this video, we are going to see about a perfect charting scanner which will be giving you a high probable entries in the daily market, as well as you can use this strategy for intraday and you can transfer the trade entry to a positional trade entry also. So if you have not subscribed to our channel till now, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button. Then only you will be receiving the upcoming video updates of our channel. And don't miss this video till the end. Then only you will be understanding about the strategy perfectly and you can make a consistent profits through this strategy. So today we are going to learn about a perfect strategy which is about a range breakout. So we can also say this strategy as a range breakout, or otherwise we can say this strategy as a master candle breakout. So before entering into the strategy, now I have opened the chart in a TradingView platform, as well as I have opened a TCS stock for an example, and the time frame is more important here. For this strategy you need to maintain 15 minutes time frame. So now I have opened the chart with 15 minutes time frame TCS stock. So you can see here as a first candle 9:15 candle, the market has been started. Once the 9:15 candle ends, we need to see that whether the next three candles are inside this first candle. This is the simple strategy with a more efficient. So be careful, understand that the first candle 9:15 candle we need to mark the high and lows. So right now I will be plotting the high and lows for this first candle. So this is the high and lows for the first candle. So you just see this next three candles are inside the range of the first candle high and low. So we are considering this first candle as a master candle. This is the strategy rules we need to follow. So you just understand that the second, third, fourth candle 15 minutes time frame should be inside the first candle high and low. If you are seeing a stock like this, you need to consider the perfect strategy that this is a master candle and we need to plot the high and low of the particular candle. So once the high or low of a particular stock it has been crossed, means we need to take an entry. This is the strategy. So now we are going to see the strategy charting and we are going to see the coding for the particular charting. So now we are in a charting profile. So you just see here, this is our charting profile. So we have developed many charting scanners till now. So you can see the pages, almost 26 pages it has been taken for till now we have coded many strategies. So we will be providing the high probable scanners to our lifetime members. So if you want to join our advanced price action course, you will be getting more scanners like this. So don't miss this video till the end, then only you will be understanding about the particular strategy. This is the best strategy, one of the strategy we have scanned before and we have also used in a live market also. So once you get a confirmation for the range breakout, this scanner will be alerted. So on that time we are going to enter into the trade entry. So let us go for a coding session for this strategy. So create a new scanner right now. So I have clicked the create a new scanner. So now it's directed towards the coding part. As a basic we are going to code it with the futures right now. So most of the time we will be coding with the futures only. So now I am going to choose a futures stocks here. So once I done with this, I am going to write the condition that the first candle. So let us say take the 15 minutes time frame first of all. So this strategy will be working in 15 minutes time frame only. Then only the range breakout will be more perfect. You can see here almost before almost many candles has been in a consolidation. So almost 5 candles has been in a consolidation. So once the breakout happened, the market has given you a good moment. So like this we are going to select with only 15 minutes time frame. So you can have it in a condition that the second 15 minutes time frame high should be less than high of first 15 minutes candle high. So this is the first condition we are going to keep it here. The second 15 minutes candle high should be less than that of the first 15 minutes candle high. So like this we are going to keep it for the 3 candles, that is third candle, fourth candle. That's all. Second, third, fourth candles we are going to consider this condition. So once this ended, we are going to select for a low. Low of the particular candle should be greater than the first candle low. Then only the candles will be in a range. So this is the condition. We are going to again copy it here, and again I am going to paste the three conditions, that is for third candle and fourth candle. So once I have done this, so now the range is perfect. So I am going to add a extra confirmation to make the candles to be boom, then only the stocks will be more powerful. So for this I am going to add a condition that whether if you are going to make a sell side entry, that is the range is going to break sell side, then we are going to choose the particular stock that is gap down. If you have not seen the previous videos, you can understand that the gap down in the charting right now we are considering the gap down as the full gap down, that is the previous day low has been break out and the gap down we are considering. So in this condition also I am going to add it here, another condition that if the stock should be in a buy mode or sell mode, there is no confirmation, that we don't know that whether it will be breaking the upside or downside. But for higher confirmation, if you are getting a previous day, if the candle is starting previous day above the previous day high, then we need to consider for a high side breakout, then only the confirmation will be more powerful, then it will be boom in the upside move. So for this I am going to select a charting right now. I will be coding it, and I will be publishing in this video description. You'll be getting the link. So through that you can start scanning the stocks, and you need to check that whether it is in a previous day high breakout or otherwise previous day low breakout. So the both condition I will be giving in the starting itself. So once I done this, I will be publishing this script right now. So that you will be getting the charting in the description link itself. So once you charting, if you scan for a charting, you need to see after this candle confirmation only. After this second, third, fourth candle confirmation, that is 10 o'clock this candle starts. So in 10:15 only this candle will be ended. So once after this we are going to scan for a stocks. So once you get a particular stock, we are going to see whether it is going to break out upside or downside. So for better confirmation, if the candle is in above of the previous day high, then we need to see for the high to be breakout, then it will be a good candle. So I will be showing you with the code also. So right now I have done the coding for the full part. So you can see in this code itself I have given that the candle should be less than the previous day low. So this is one of the condition, as well as if the candles starting candle 15 minutes candle is opened above the previous day high. The both conditions I have given here. So it will be scanning the both stocks. So once you get the stock, you need to confirm that whether this candle is above or below, then only the stocks will be more powerful. So I have given this condition, extra condition here. So you can also scan the stocks without these conditions also, but this is a higher confirmation condition that if the candle is starting below the previous day low, we are going to expect the market to be for sell side. So once the sell breakout happened, we are going to punch the order. So this is the only condition here. So for example, we are going to see the backtest here. So we are going to scan the stock in a 10:15 starting only. So then only the candles will be confirmed after the second, third, fourth. So once the fourth candle ends, second, third, fourth candle ending only we are going to scan. Then only on that timing only this scanner will be displayed. So that you can see here. For example, in the 10:15 candle, these are the stocks, two stocks in the 16th December it has been came in 10:15 AM. So let us see in Infy. For Infosys, you just see here. This is 16th December. So for this particular stock, we are going to enter once the high or low of the candle has been breakout. So I am going to plot the first candle, master candle high, as well as the master candle low. I am going to plot it here. So once this done, we are going to enter into the candles high or low. We need to punch the order once it crosses the high or low. So you just see here only it has been crossed the high. So in this candle only we are going to punch the order. So this also there is no entry, it has been not taken. Our stop loss will be this candle low. That's all. So once we are getting the target of this candle, then only we are going to exit the market. So if you are not exiting this position in a intraday also, you need to wait for position, it's also okay. But if you are not going to take the overnight risk, you just avoid that particular trade entry and wait for the next day. That's all. So most of the trade entries will be directed to delivery, but the trades target will be reached perfectly. So you can see here for this particular stock almost big gap up happened here. So once you have entered in this candle, your target will be this candle, how much points it has been taken in the first candle, the same points we are going to expect for the buy side. So almost 1:1 will be the ratio, but these strategies will be giving you a good profits once you follow this particular risk reward management. So you just see here 17 points is the first candle range. So now we are going to expect only 17 points, but the gap up has been happened perfectly. For 45 points you have reached the target. So this is the one of the stock. So let us see for another example. Emphasis for the same day. So now you can see in the 16th December 10:15 candle. So now we are going to plot. So you can see here the second candle is also in the range of the first candle, the third candle is also in the range of the first candle, and the fourth candle is also in the range of the first candle. So once this confirmation happens, this stock will be listed in our charting scanner. So once after the charting scanner, which has been given in a 10:15 candle. So this is the 10:15 candle ending, that is the 10 o'clock starting, and 10:15 this candle will be ended. So once it has been ended, the low has been broke out. So you can see here low has been broke out, but if you see the target, it has been reached for this particular stock. But for our condition, I have kept that the previous day high should be broke out. So then for this particular stock you need to aim for only buy entry. So this is one of the extra condition I have given. Otherwise you can also take the trade entry for this range breakout. That is also confirmation only. So you just see here for the sell side entry our target will be 35 points. So here almost here the low has been made, 45 points has been low made. Our point is target is 35 points only, but the strategy is working very perfectly. So try to make a perfect entry. You will be getting almost 2 to 4 stocks in a particular day also. So no problem. You just scan for every trade. You just see here today in the 13th day you have got many stocks today in this day 13th December. So you need to see for a particular stock and you need to make an entry perfectly. That's all. So thank you traders. Thanks for watching this video till the end. If you have any other doubts with this strategy, make a comment below this video. Then only I can reply for your comments and I can clear all your doubts for this strategy. And if you have not joined our Telegram channel till now, click on the description link and join our Telegram channel. And if you want to join our advanced price action course, register today with the WhatsApp number 7200556708. And to more details, you can also WhatsApp us. Thank you.